Hello everyone and welcome back to the Unexpectedly Random Garage. We're not in a garage, as you can see. I've got a 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix. You may have seen other videos on this particular model, different things we've done on it. And the issue here is the trunk does not stay up. There's no support at all, and this is not a light trunk. It is a model with a with the spoiler on it. It seemed like that was pretty standard, but for some reason the guy at the auto parts store asked me for that detail when I went to pick stuff up. So with that being said, it's a GT1, I believe. These struts on the back here are the problem. This particular one is the Stabless Liftomat, and the number on it that I found was 0490N, and that was there's also a 5475RN. Those numbers didn't seem to exist anymore, which was kind of frustrating. Also, a guy at the auto parts store tried to sell me these $50 a piece, $55 a piece at Napa. I ran out of the store. So to replace them, we've got these Liftomat Stabless. Stabless seems to be a decent brand from what I was finding out. This is number SG430048. The lift force is the same. I believe it's 100. I want to say 100 pounds. 100 newtons, one of those numbers, but the specs were identical to the stock here. Could not be easier to replace these things, seriously. I've already ripped one of these off because it was so simple. This bad boy here. All you need is this guy, and it's not even for screwdrivering. So, right up in here, there is this metal clip and a little bit of a, let me see if I can get you guys oriented the direction. A little bit of a tab here. Just grab onto that clip and you can pop the thing all the way out if you want to. Otherwise, just pry it up enough until you can, with your hand that's not obstructed by the camera, so you can get that clip out of there. And then once that's loose, you can take the tension off from it, and just like that, pops right out. Watch your hood or your trunk lid so it doesn't fall on you. It's not light, as I mentioned. And then this bottom one's a little easier to get open or get off. Just roll it back up here so you can get straight on with this bottom thing. Stick your screwdriver in there, pop that bad boy out. Throw those away because they are garbage at this point. Your new ones, pull out of here. Let me get you a hyper focus on that. Literally over my lunch hour from second job. This is no big deal. Literally a 10-minute job. This guy here, make sure you've got your orientation correct. We're going to go ahead and hook the bottom one on here. There are a few different models. I just looked at what I had on the car. I had studs on my hinges, so I got the ones that had the things on it. Took measurements, all that fun stuff. So just slip that guy on there. Clean the debris out of your drainage channel here. You'll have better life. Pop that bad boy on there, and it is locked into place. And I'll show you again on the other side since I kind of obstructed it. And you'll kind of have to rock your hood back again. Be careful not to drop it on your head. And again, I obstructed that. So we'll watch the other side over here. So this one, apologies for the wind. That's the joy of being outside. Here we go. That fella there. Make sure your clips are in place because clips are necessary. And then again, come down here. Find your bottom stud with this piece. I'll get my hand out of the way before I put this on here. Bottom stud is right here. And then it just snaps into place. And then your top stud is going to be right there. You may have to rock your hood back in a little bit and then just press that in there. It's actually already locked on there. And you're good to go. And now your hood or your trunk, we're going to try and do this without putting my license plate on it, does not slam shut. Just like that. save yourself some headache, replace your struts, and move on with life. So 5 minutes, we fixed an ongoing problem. It's pretty awesome. So that's all I've got for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you got any questions. I can give you links to the Rock Auto parts. I'll try and get them in the description if I remember. So that's all I got. Till next time, stay random.